Hi, everybody. Congressman Joe Kennedy from Massachusetts. I'm so sorry that I can't be with you in person, but I'm grateful for the invitation and the opportunity to speak with you very briefly and say more than anything else, a great big thank you. But before I get going, a couple of dear friends and labor leaders that I want to thank. So to Jim Hoffa, to Ken Hall, to Dennis Pierce, to John Murphy, to Mike Twombly, and John Tolman, thank you for what you do, for what you have done, for what you continue to do. Make sure that your Congress and your country never forgets the contribution of working men and women. And look, this election is so important. Yes, like all the others, but this one even more so. Because what you fight for, the values that we all fight for, are truly at stake. Whether it's making sure that people stand shoulder to shoulder with working men and women, to protect our pensions, to invest in our roads and bridges and infrastructure, to make sure that we rebuild this country, road by road, block by block, railroad by railroad, to make sure that men and women can actually get an honest day's pay for an honest day's work, to make sure that our health care is going to be there, and that their pensions are going to be there too. This is what you fight for, and I'm honored to stand right by your side. Thanks so much for all you do. Have a great conference, and thanks for all your help in the days ahead.